Good afternoon. I'm going to prepare 4 beautiful chicken breasts with the skin on. They're thawed, skin on. I'm going to brine them. Some people never think of brining their chicken before they cook it, but they brine a lot of other things, but not their chicken. I'm going to put warm water on this chicken, about a gallon. Not hot, but warm. Make sure that when you try this, that it's not hot water. You hear the water running. I know approximately a gallon of water. I've done this enough that I know when there's a gallon. Okay, the water is now warm. You can put this in a plastic bag and put it in the refrigerator if you so desire. But I'm not going to put it in a plastic bag. I'm going to cover this container up, and I'll put the container itself in the refrigerator. Okay, I've got about a gallon of water now. Going to take this out. Now I'm going to put the brine. I'm going to use kosher salt, anywhere from a cup to 3/4 cup of salt. This is a half cup here. Gonna put a little extra in it, less than, this is a 1/4 cup, a little less than a quarter. Now there's something here I'm gonna add that a lot of people don't add, they've never tried. I'm going to put sugar as well, 3/4 cup of sugar in my brine. I'm going to refrigerate this, and I'm going to let it sit for about an hour and 45 minutes, maybe even 2 hours today. Then I'll take it out and I'll continue with this lesson on baked chicken breasts. I'll see you later. Okay, I'm back. The chicken breasts, they've been in the brine for about an hour and a half. I've taken them out. They've been patted dry. And now it's time to put melted butter on each one of them. And I also forgot to mention that you need a thermometer so that you can actually check the inside temperature of your chicken. I'm going to be cooking this chicken at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. I want the inside temperature to be 160 to 180 degrees. Some people say that it should be 180, some say 170. What I decide is, if it's cooked for the 30 to 40 minutes, it's going to be between that 160 to 180 degrees. Some people use a fork to test it. I don't like using a fork because the fork allows too much of your moisture to leave your food. So get yourself a nice professional thermometer so that you can check it. As you can see, I'm basting this with butter. This There are my seasonings. I'm going to season this. Okay, here's the chicken breasts. They're ready to be put into the oven. The oven is on 425 degrees. I'm going to put this in for, 35 minutes. I'll check it just to make sure. I've got it garnished and it's ready to go. So I'll see you when it's time for it to come out. Today you're cooking with top chef Dr. Griffin. It's in the Griffin kitchen. And if you have any questions about what's being prepared or there's something that you'd like to know how to prepare, feel free to ask me and I'll get right back with you. I'll see you when this is out in about 35 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's into the oven. It's at 425 degrees. I've got a couple other things on top that's going to go along with it. So I'm getting ready to put this in. Okay, the chicken breasts have been in here for about 35 minutes. See what they look like. So I'm going to take them out. Going to check the inner temperature, just so that you can see.
Okay, what we're seeing here is companies that are trying to hijack the health halo of Greek yogurt, but they typically
Rising up.
a little bit of Greek yogurt powder, and then they splash Greek yogurt all over the packaging, and people buy it thinking they're getting the health benefits. But this ingredient label tells the real story. Right up at the top, you see the usual suspects: refined carbs, sugar. Way down the middle, you see a little bit of Greek yogurt powder. So this just is not the same as Greek yogurt. Don't be fooled by it.
That's for the granola bars. That's actually the label. Now what about Greek frozen yogurt, which I'm seeing a lot of now, and it tastes so sweet.
It can be really good. The Greek yogurt had a culture.
Right now it's showing 155, so I'll put it back.
Is a treat. It's got a lot of sugar. So I get this question, what if I don't
Okay, it's complete.
like kids don't? So here's what
It's 170 right now.
for anyone who's not accustomed to playing
As you can see, it's nice and brown on the top.
I don't want to give my kids a really, really sweet yogurt because they're just getting way too much sugar. I can't get them to eat this stuff, so what I do?
So it's going to be ready tonight for dinner.
I take a spoon of this.
Hope you enjoyed watching this
Have it overnight. So this is a good way to train.
chicken breast.
Go back and taste one of these.
It's been brined with salt
It's not right.
and sugar.
And help me with this big issue.
This is Master Chef Griff.
Doing themselves a favor.
I'll see you on the next trip.